Okay, so what we have here is a Gen 1 small block Chevy. Unknown build, unknown miles, unknown specs on anything that's on it. Supplied by the customer. It's going in an 82 or an 83 Camaro, but we're going to take it apart, refresh it all, and make it look way too nice for the vehicle it's going into, because that's what we do. I don't know who put this motor together, but that's all excessive silicone, and this thing was glued like it was welded. Hopefully they're not still putting motors together. Alright, and this is why I always like taking apart customer supplied motors. This was going to need to be taken apart anyways, but this is a little too metally. There's no way this engine's going to be any good. So that leaves us at this dilemma. Well, that came to an abrupt halt. So we're going to contact the customer, see if they want to send this to a machine shop or it's going to go into the scrap pile. Either or, I'm pretty much done with it for now. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Sometimes I just take apart a motor that shouldn't have been taken apart in the first place. I don't know. Talk to you later.